Kona nui nai so. First of all, mahalo nui au ko e na hoa makamaka. Mahalo au ko ke kipo ana mai. Mahalo nui lo ka pai ana ya Kona nui nights. We call our event Kona nui because this district, most of you know as Honolulu. However, in traditional times, there were two other names for this district, and one of them was Kona. Kona means south. Te olu olu e ho'o pili mai kākua pau. Kona. Ana ho, Kona. And because this is the capital city here in Honolulu, we say great or big Kona. Olelo mai, Kona Nui. And that is how Kona Nui Nights got its name, because we wanted to honor the fact that in our language, in our poetry, we have other ways to refer to Honolulu. And speaking of Kona Nui Nights has hosted a number of fabulous entertainment acts. So, by the way, Owaila ko kako halau, Owaila ko kako poe, ho'o kanihila o kenya po.
Tonight we feature, wow, I can't believe we actually have this hello here today because we're like 2 weeks away from the Merry Monarch Festival in Hilo, Hawaii, but they are here to share their hula with us tonight. Hello, Kalikopu Okalani Akia is here, as well as the fabulous music of Nahoku Hano Hano Award winner, one of the smoothest voices in all of Hawaiian music, Teresa Bright is here. And little side note, we just want to, Teresa has brought some very special friends to join us on stage. So we'll introduce you to them shortly, but Kumu, you have a special bond with this hello, with this
Yes,
so
yes.
Can you do the privilege and bring them on?
Yes, I would most likely, most happily do so. And for all those of you who join us this evening, especially for all of you who are first timers here, in the islands, we always acknowledge our connection to one another. And of course, this is an island, so our presentation tonight is by none other than Kumuhula Kapua Deliri Moy. And she has brought her halo, and she will come and share the dances and chants that are passed down through their tradition of hula. Kumuhula Kapua and I, we went to Kamehameha together, went to high school together. So it's really great when we're able to see friends that we grew up with come up and take the stage to share and to present for you all. So without further ado, here we go. Kehea kumu, makaino, makaukau. All right, right away. Well, ua makaukau hoi kako, no kumuhula, kapua deliri moy, he kana halau, halau kaliko pua, kalani a kea. Pai ni makako.
Kamakani. The motion produced by the meeting of Earth Circle Pakistan. Kaua, rain, responsible for depositing water onto the earth, the element. Keahi, fire, the only one of these four essential elements that humans can produce to sustain life, and thus bridges the gap between mortals and the gods. Join us as we take you on a journey through the eyes of our kahuna, our ancestors, and relive periods of times past that have made us the people we are today. Verina mai kako. Welcome to Hawaii.
Now